Alright, so I'm coming into the office today and I'm thinking to myself, dude, there's a product that we have that we've never talked about that I think every single one of our customers should know about. So before I do that, let's go inside and see what's happening inside the world at Nodal Ninja. Hey, welcome back, photographer friends, to yet another episode. We're so excited to share a very cool product, kind of a sleeper product, if you will. It's super cool. It's called the Quick Mount Mini Adapter System. And when you order yours, this is the box you're gonna get. It looks kind of small, a little unassuming, if you will, but packed inside of this product is versatility that maybe you've been unaware of. I thought I knew this product well, and then I started playing with it and testing it myself and realized how valuable this little piece is. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. We can put it on a pole, we can put it on a rotator, we could put it on the Mecha, you can put it on the Nodal Ninja 3, on the Nodal Ninja 6. Like, it's really, really versatile, and it's just, you're going to see how quick and how simple and how easy this little mini adapter system is, and you're going to want to get yours. I'm serious. Now, a lot of times you talk about needing to get a product or whatever. This is going to be one of those things that you want to have in your photography kit for sure. Check it out. You get yours in the mail, right? Spare parts as always, just in case you need them. Not that you're ever going to really probably need them in the field, but hey, just in case you ever need something, there it is to have. This Quick Mount Mini Adapter System comes with two basic components. This is called the Quick Mount Mini Clamp, okay? This little clamp right here is what's gonna go onto this, which is called the Quick Mount Mini Plate, right? This plate is what screws into the top of the rotators, okay? And on the pole system, which I'll show you in a moment, how to get it on top of a 3/8 thread. Inside the Quick Mount Mini Adapter System are gonna be all the little parts and pieces that we showed you. That part and piece is gonna be one of these Allen sets. So that way you can tighten down the Quick Mount Mini Plate to the top of the rotator or to the top of the Mecha, okay? So just literally just like this, that simple. Nice little hand tighten, nothing crazy. So that's the installation of the plate on top of the rotator or the Mecha. Okay, now that that's installed, it would be prepared to accept the clamp. So the clamp has these anti-twist pins in the bottom of it. And on the top of our rotators in the Mecha, they have these pre-drilled areas for anti-twist components, right? And that's it. That's how easy and simple it would go on. But what does that look like with a piece of equipment? Well, let's show you. So as you see, I have the R1 rotator head here on the top of this pole. It already has a Quick Mount Mini Adapter System attached to it. So to remove it, all we would do is unscrew this locking knob on the clamp, okay? And lift it up off the plate. This is the plate, right? Remember? So now let's just say we have a Mecha we're going to attach it to. We just simply set it on top of there, tighten up that locking knob again, and once that's tightened up on top of there, boom, it's ready to go. It's that simple to transfer from one platform to another. So let's say you're done using the Mecha and you're going to transfer it to a rotator for whatever purpose. Let's say you have different systems that you're using. Okay, you simply unscrew this locking knob, okay, lift it up off the unit, and set it on top of the other unit, right? Whether it's the R10, RD5, okay, RD16. There you go, just like that. Now, I did say earlier that we could use different heads to transfer from system to system, right? So you may have a Nodal Ninja 3 Mark III, okay? And you might have it on the top of a pole. Again, those anti-twist pins are gonna be setting inside of the anti-twist holes that are on top of the plate. Boom, just like that, okay? That's the Nodal Ninja 3 Mark III. You can shoot that thing up in the air on the pole system that we have, right? Let's say you have a pole Series 3, all done using it. You don't wanna take the time to collapse all this stuff down and tear it all apart. The Quick Mount Mini Adapter System allows you to simply unscrew it, that tightening knob right there, that's going to lock it in, and now you want to transfer it over to your Mecha unit that you have. Just like that. Literally transfers that simple. So again, we have lots of different head lineups that you could use it with. It's universal to go from one platform to another. It's super great, very simple. Let's show you how to get it on top of a 3/8 post here real quick. That way you can see the difference between screwing it on a head that we have or screwing it onto a 3/8 post that we have. check that part out. And another thing that should be mentioned when adding the quick adapter plate to the top of a pole, there's a couple of things that you should do. Because you want to use the anti-twist holes in conjunction with the anti-twists that are on the bottom of the quick release clamp, you want to make sure to take the outer 2 rubber O-rings out, and that's quite simple. You could do it easily by using the small Allen head that comes with the quick adapter mini system. Simply pop it up, and it does pull out quite simply. They're easy to install again, so if you want to, for whatever reason, put them back in and not use the quick adapter mini system, you simply pull them out of that little ridge, hold on to these and save them for future, and then you can reinstall them back there. Once that's been completed, again, the quick adapter mini system plate is already drilled out at 3/8 thread for the top of this. Simply screw it down, okay? You can tighten it harder if you'd like with this slot here for a screwdriver. Okay, we're just going to hand tighten it for today's purposes. And once the plate's on there, it's ready to accept the quick mount mini clamp. That is done by unscrewing this, installing it on there. Of course, your head will be up there. Once that's on there, tighten that down. And there you go. So I know there's like a lot of stuff going on right here, but the simplicity of this product is literally 2 pieces. Again, it's the plate that goes into the top of the head that you have, and then the clamp that goes onto the rig, the unit that you're using for a rotator. It is basically a quick release system that allows you to adapt all these types of products together and gets you from one working platform to another by simply unscrewing a locking knob and transferring it from piece to piece. Very, very simple, very, very efficient for you to have as a photographer. Being in the field and being able to keep things put together without having to unscrew a bunch of different plates and unscrewing a bunch of different things is really, really easy for you. And that's what we think about. We try to think about every photographer in the field and their workflow and their process, and how can we simplify it? How can we give you products that aren't going to be very expensive, but allow you to efficiently work as fast as you can? So listen, if you have any questions further about the Quick Mount Mini Adapter System, put it in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Hey man, if you have other ideas about videos or products that you'd like to see, hit those down there in the comment box below as well. And if you're loving these videos and hanging out with us as photographers, man, hit that subscribe button, just smash it 2019 style. That is how we do it here. We appreciate hanging out with you. We love seeing you as customers, and we will see you in the next video. Let's do it now.